guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any fun content from my channel. Do well to like this video and share this video with your friends. It's simple and easy as ABC, okay? It's not hard. All you have to do is click the share button, copy the link and paste it on your Facebook page, paste it on your WhatsApp group, and boom, you've shared it. You've supported me. As simple as that. Okay, so today's video is a different video. I haven't done this one in forever, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I always rave or always put out must watch Netflix movies, must watch Netflix series and what's not. So I was like, okay, why not just do that on a wider scale and just put like do that on a larger scale and put this out there on YouTube so that people who watch Netflix a lot can also benefit from this. So that's exactly what I've done. I'm just going to basically be going through the list that I have for my top 10 Netflix movies and series. So if you want to find out what they are and what movies they are and what series they are, then definitely keep on watching. Don't move, just stay there. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to do so before continuing with this video. Let's go on the short commercial break and we'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. If you're still watching this video, gosh, you're the real MVP. If you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, I'm using my side eye. I'm using my side eye to look at you. Do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the fun contents that we post on my YouTube channel. So okay, so top off, first on my list is Empress Ki. Empress Ki is it's a Korean series. It's about 55 episodes, so you would need at least a week to finish binge watching it. So, but I won't lie to you, it's a must watch. Like, I've watched that movie like twice and I still cry when I watch it. Like, it's crazy. I still cry when I watch it. That's because the movie is the series is so nice. It's about a girl that started from nothing and her journey to becoming vigilante that everybody wanted. Like, nobody knew her identity, and there was a throne. Like, the stories are just interwoven in such a thrilling way that it will keep you sitting and wanting more. So eventually she met the throne prince. It's a long story, let's go through all that part. It's just basically a story about a girl and her journey to becoming the empress, the first empress in the Goryeo empire dynasty time in Korea, which is very nice. She was in love with this king, like a governor, and the emperor also liked her. She went, after her child, she thought her child with the governor died. As I'm explaining, it's definitely going to bust your brain. You won't understand it, but it's a really nice movie. So next up we have The Girl Allergic to Wi-Fi. So it's about a girl who started a new school. I think it's a Philippine movie. Who started a new school at a new school, and there was this guy that liked her. But she just saw him as a friend. She fell in love with the guy's brother and started dating him. They found out that she was allergic to Wi-Fi. She was allergic to data, so they had to take her back to her village where there was no network, nothing. Because anytime she's close to network or something, she starts bleeding. It's a condition. I don't know. I haven't actually checked it, but so the guy that she was in love with fucked up. He was going out with somebody else while she was in the village. But her brother, which was the guy that initially loved her, was coming to the village to look after her and make sure that she was fine. He tried severally to hint her, but she didn't know. So eventually the guy died. So touching. The guy died, and just when she was about to, she realized that, oh, this is the guy died. So such a huge, like, I was expecting that, okay, they will finally be together. No, the guy just died, and sad story, but it's really nice when you should see it. Next we have I'm going through my phone to see the ones that I saved. Silence. So it's just like a zombie apocalypse, but this time it's weird stuff. So you can't make a sound. So you basically you can, like any sound, like if something drops, they're gonna know, and then they're gonna go there. And if you're unfortunate to be in that spot or shaking or shivering, they're gonna kill you, like hit you, shred you, and eat you. So it's about a family that went through that phase. They survived. Yeah. So the wife now got pregnant, and she was about to give birth. So you can imagine. So how will she give birth without screaming? How will she give birth without the child screaming or crying, and without attracting those animals? So if you want to find out, go watch that movie. It's very nice. The Purge. I don't know if you guys have seen it. The first Purge was very nice. Like very, very nice. You need to see it. Like, but the subsequent ones they've been doing, I really don't understand them. Like, it's like, what are you doing? Like, it's not as nice as the other ones. Next we have, there's this is it Hot Pursuit or something, where it's so, that movie is so nice. Like, I was laughing my ass off. So Hot Pursuit is about a couple. They were going on they didn't have the money to go on a honeymoon, but eventually she met this guy. Eventually somehow the guy jabbered. I think he wanted to use the money for something else, and the wife was really excited. Oh, we're going on the trip, and he couldn't say no anymore, so they had to go on the trip. They were in the economy class, and the wife went somewhere to the first class, and she saw this very handsome guy who bought her drinks. Her husband came and saw that she was having fun. He joined in. So somehow, the guy now invited her to their house. At their house, the grandfather was killed. Somebody killed him. So they were trying to figure out who killed him, because everybody wanted to take the grandfather's inheritance. So they were trying to figure out who killed who. People kept on dying. It was just really funny to see her trying to act something funny. I think her name is I can't remember, but just type Hot Pursuit or something, you'd see it. I used to have them on my phone. I think I'm going to film this again, but for now, let's make it top 3. So we have Empress Ki. If you haven't seen that one, make sure to go. Oh yeah, there's this other one called Ashes of Love on Netflix. It's so nice. Like, I was crying, but I just feel it was ridiculously long. I think it was like 50 something episodes, ridiculously long. And this, like, so basically the story is about gods in Korea. So they did first generation, second generation. So first generation, she was trying to become a goddess. She finally became a goddess, and then sent her to the human realm to go and do a whole generation again. When she was done with that third generation, that made it so long. Like, when you could have just crumpled all that into one very punchy one generation, but they didn't do that. But very nice. You should definitely check it out. Vagabond is a new Korean series. I don't know, I'm in love with Korean people, like Korean movies. So if you hear me listing them more than others, well, you should definitely see Vagabond. It's about a guy, a poor guy, and his nephew. So his nephew was killed in a propaganda airplane crash, and he was trying to figure out who killed his brother. He found them, and he was trying to put them to justice. Very nice action movie. It's something that you wouldn't see in usual Korean movie act. Very nice. Then there's this other series, Korean, Tale of Arang, or Arang Tale. Very nice. Like, about a girl. Go see it. I can't even describe it. Go and watch it. Oh, Kingdom. So if you watch Korean movies, you know that they don't act horror movies. So I was shocked to see their very first horror movie, which was so nice. Like, trust me guys, I've been checking, only 6 episodes for season 1. I've been checking back to find out if they have season 2. Nada. But it's a really good watch, so go and watch it. Very, very nice. You'll thank me. So if you watch any of these movies or series that I've listed, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you like this kind of videos and you want me to incorporate it more in my channel, make sure to give me a comment, okay? And like this video. The more likes I like, the more likes I get, the more I know that you guys want this kind of content. And if you watch this video to the end and I have a longer retention rate for this particular video, I will definitely know that you enjoyed this video. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Oh, I think it's already too late seeing this because this is the end and we're gonna watch to the end. You have started okay, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. I think I've talked enough. I'm gonna go and sit still till my mom comes back so I don't ruin my makeup. I need to take some really nice portrait pictures. This 50mm lens is not gonna waste. Okay, bye.